I have now left the incline area and I am walking up towards the temple, Nanzen, I'm sure I'm mispronouncing that, temple, and this is just such a lovely street. That's the street I just walked up. That's the temple. Well, that's the entry to the temple anyway. Wow. I'm now inside of that structure. You can see it leads up to the main temple. Look at these doors. So beautiful. You have to climb over this barrier. Guess that'll keep the troops out. And there's the actual temple. Anyway, there's the actual temple. And you cannot go inside the temple, but I can go up to the front of it anyway. Oops, excuse me. It's beautiful. This is the inside of the temple. Check out that ceiling. So I just came from the temple, and there's a whole complex here, including this area over here. And here are two more beautiful girls in their kimonos. Just beautiful. Just beautiful.
Thank you.
This borders the whole thing. Look at that aqueduct. This is right underneath this aqueduct. Nanzen aqueduct. It's, let's see if I can't get a better shot. Yeah, there it is. Just everywhere you look. It's just beautiful here. Wow. Forest bathing. Anyway, this is the far side of that temple complex. So, up at the top of this street is the beginning of the philosophy path, but I thought I would get, yes, a ham and cheese crepe.
ハムチーズお願いします。
どうもありがとうございました。So he's going to make me a crepe, and I'm going to gobble it up because I'm starving. There it is. The philosophy path. This is a path that a famous philosopher came along every day to think deep thoughts. And it became so beloved that they created an entire path dedicated to it. Small little shrines and temples along the way. Oh, I'm going to walk it. Here's a view of Kyoto. This is a restaurant, not open right now. I really want to walk on this side of the path, but it seems like everybody's just coming in my direction, so we're just going to try it out. Cherry blossoms and the blue skies. Got lucky with that. Absolutely stunning. Vincent. I'm just madly in love with these trees and this walk and this young man doing his music. Look at this path. Walk with me. Shall we contemplate philosophy as we're walking? My only philosophy left in life is time is short. Carpe diem. And I guess be present in the moment. Or try your best anyway. Ooh, I really did get philosophical on this path. Not my normal style. Just beautiful. And then you look up and you see this. I mean, wow. That is exquisite. Well, if I'm not mistaken, this is the rat temple, which of course makes me insanely happy because I love rats. There's this cute man making his stuff and selling it, but we're gonna stop in here and see what's what. A little side street. Guardians going up the path. And there's the entrance. Well, there it is. There's the prayer wall that you spin the prayer wheels, or put up your own prayer rather. You can light incense. And you can buy offerings. So I paid tribute, gave him 10 yen. I bowed. That old man showed me how. I bowed, clapped twice, that's to wake up the spirits, let them know I'm there, and just paid tribute to their customs. These are called jizo, or something to that effect, and they are a Buddha patron saint of children. And that red collar looking thing is actually a bib for the child. And these are everywhere. This is the gate going into the Hohen temple. And turn and show you the path. There's the temple. Reed roof, thatch roof, and those are the grounds. I just came up. There's the temple. There's a Zen garden for you. And the small little buildings here. This is a typical feudal period or shogun period Japanese house. Honestly, I feel like I've just stepped onto the set of Shogun. Wow. Here's another view of Kyoto. This is a very cobblestone-y path in this incredibly beautiful place. It does not appear to be open anywhere though. Oh, it says do not take a picture. Huh. Don't know why. There's a little Buddha. Okay, I've been walking quite far and I stumbled on this shrine. Pause to read if you want. It's beautiful. Just sitting in the middle of this busy street. These are called torii gates. And rabbits are the patron here. Look at these adorable bunnies. And people bring their little bunnies here. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Look at that. I just love it. Well, I have found myself in a Lawson's. This is sort of like a 7-Eleven, but they have a lot of hot foods as well. And you can use their microwave and heat them up. I ended up getting this teriyaki chicken skewer. And they heated it up for me and it was delicious. But I mean, there's yakitori, there's cutlets, and then look at all these yummies that just come on in, get what you want, heat it up, it's good to go. So Lawson's my new favorite place in Japan. Not that I've gone to restaurants, because you know, I'm not a restaurant gal. Anyway, I have to find some things to purchase so that I can break my 5,000 yen, so that I can actually catch the bus for 230 yen. They don't give change. So, all right, this is Lawson's. So, I took a bus. Those two girls actually helped me out. They were standing at the bus stop right across from Lawson's. I took bus 204. And oh my gosh, it was such a long distance, like I would have died. Anyway, gonna enter the park right up here. Well, oh, I know I'm in the way there, aren't I? Let me get out of the way. That is the entire Imperial Palace grounds and Kyoto National Garden. I am, so sadly, way down here. And I wanted to be up here. So, I'm just gonna keep walking. So I'm walking towards the Imperial Palace, and here's this tree, like something out of a dream. I mean, it is, I don't know, quintessential Japanese Sakura festival. I don't know if you can see it, but the blossoms are starting to fall, so it looks like snow. Stumbled upon another shrine. This one is Shirakumo Shrine, which is dedicated to the goddess of music. So, those two little poodles were adorable. Here's the history if anybody's interested. Oh my goodness, this is... This is a massive park. Gardens. Excuse me. It's like saying, oh, I'm going to visit Tavern on the Green in Central Park. It's like Central Park is massive. It's like that. There she blows. Look at these cool props. Prop this tree up. You have to have tickets to get into the Imperial Palace, and it is already 4 o'clock. I may have missed my window to go in, but anyway, the whole palace is this fortified area, so well, that's one entrance, obviously not open. So that makes me very sad, but I guess they're closed today. Aw, that's this was a long way to walk for it being closed. Well, I am at the corner now, the northwest corner. It's a big complex, but what I really came to see were all the Sakura trees. Look at this place. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at all the people out enjoying these trees. I mean, look at that. Look at this place. Oh, it is truly magical and not something you can fake. You have to be here just the right time to really see all this. Just everywhere you turn.